Hey gang, it's Fitz. Hey, I wanted to share a cool tip. As many of you guys know, in Florida this time of year, it's actually our fall if you have oak trees. So let me turn this around. These guys here are actually water oaks, but the oak trees in Florida, they're never without leaves. So one set of leaves falls, another set comes in right behind them. All these leaves wind up fallen, and if you don't clean them up, this is what happens. They're so acidic that they rot out the grass. So we got to get this to come back. But I wanted to show you something that works really well when it comes to picking up leaves. So guys, this is called the Easy Bagger, made by Lawson Products. What you do with this thing is you shove it down into your trash bag. It's just a plastic sleeve, and you expand it, and that helps keep the bag open. Also prevents tree branches from poking through the bag until you get it full. Once it's full, you can kind of shake it, compact everything down in the tube, and then you're good to go. Stay tuned. All right, gang, so we just got all these leaves cleaned up over here. We got piles over here and here. And then here's our Easy Bagger in here that just kind of holds that bag open. So now instead of having two people, I can do this job with just Maverick and I. Scoop them in with the shovel, put them in the bag. As it gets full, this keeps the tree branches from going through, and we're all set. Thanks for watching.